Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your one-stop destination for career boosting job alerts, data analytics tutorials also that we are coming, and professional growth hacks. In this video today, we have got an exciting opportunity from none other than the Autodesk, which is the company behind the software used to build world's smartest factories, most sustainable buildings, and even blockbuster films. Autodesk is hiring a data analyst for their customer technical success team. And if you have the skills in SQL, Python, Power BI, and love tuning raw data into actionable insights, then this is the opportunity you have been waiting for. So stay with me as we cover what the role involves, skills you need to apply, and why Autodesk is an amazing place to work, along with some other things like how you can stand out from other applicants and all. And hey, while you are here, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for the notes because we bring three important hiring daily on this channel, and hit that bell icon so you keep getting the notification once we upload our new hiring video. So now let's dive into the details of the job. So as you can see, the job is of data analyst and based out of Bengaluru. It's a full-time opportunity with hybrid model. So you'll be basically joining as the customer technical success team, focusing on content strategy and experience. So your main missions will be to use data to improve how Autodesk delivers product expertise to customer success, customer across the world. And you'll have to think about insights, process improvements, customer behavior, and better learning contents, all powered by your analysis. So now let's directly jump to the responsibility sections that I mentioned over here. So yes, so the key responsibilities of this job is going to be something like supporting or conducting in-depth analysis and research to drive operational improvements, using statistical and quantitative models to support business decisions, translating raw data into insights and actionable recommendations, designing dashboards and reports using the Power BI as Power BI tool, which is the BI tool of course, and you will serve as a data subject matter expert as well for your team. We will work closely with the stakeholders to turn the business problem into analytical projects. Plus, you will be involved into documenting and improving data infrastructure and metric definitions as well. Not just that, you'll also have to present insights using the tools like PowerPoint to tell compelling data stories. So all these are kind of your responsibilities. So in short, you will work with will your work will shape Autodesk global strategy for content delivery and customer engagement. So this is what your responsibilities will sound like once you join Autodesk as data analyst. So now let's directly jump to the skills and competencies required for this role. So minimum qualifications also they are mentioned over here. So you must have the strong expertise in Power BI, with experience in SQL and working with large data sets, with statistical analysis software as well, plus proficiency in Python, solid understanding of statistical analysis that I mentioned, and ability to present findings clearly with PowerPoint. Excellent verbal and written communication skill is must for any data analytics role that you might have already got to know, as I keep telling that in all the videos. And also a data driven mindset with a person for solving complex problems. So you must have a data driven mind and analytical skills to deal with the data, and to solve complex problems. So if you're already working in analytics or looking to move into the more strategic data role, this could be your next big step. And now let's understand about Autodesk. So why once you join Autodesk? So Autodesk, it isn't just another tech company. They power creativity and innovation across the industries, from clean energy buildings to smart factories to animated blockbuster and sustainable cars. Autodesk software is used everywhere. Their culture is inclusive, their benefits are competitive, and their mission is meaningful. So you will be encouraged to be your whole authentic self while building a better future for tomorrow. So this is why once you join Autodesk, their benefits are awesome. So of course you should, plus you will get a better salary as well. Also, they offer performance bonus stock, long-term incentives, comprehensive benefits, professional development programs, global network of talented peers and mentors. Autodesk is all about innovative impact and inclusivity, a trifecta that makes it one of the most rewarding place to work. So this is what Autodesk has to offer, which is kind of tremendous things, right? So this is the reason why one should join Autodesk. So yeah, this was here's the recap of the video. And Autodesk is hiring of data analyst positions. Go apply as soon as possible. And skills needed, as I mentioned, Power BI, Python, SQL, storytelling, analytical skill. So try to add these skills on your resume for that, for better chances of getting shortlisted. Also, you'll get to work with a global brand that's shaping the how world design, builds, and creates. So if you are ready to apply, head to the link in descriptions that we have mentioned and direct link we have mentioned. So go check it out and apply as soon as possible and before the deadline, which they have not mentioned, but it can end anytime soon. And if you found this video helpful, here's how you can support us by keeping leveling up your career. Like this video if it tells the algorithm to share it with more learners like you. Share it with your friends, groups, or anyone looking to break into the data. And comment below with any questions. I will reply to every one of you personally. And also subscribe to our channel for journalists and turn on the bell icon for daily job alerts, resume tips, and interview questions. And also, if you want to learn data analytics for free, you can head to our other channel, First Tech, where we are covering in-depth data analytics with 20 plus hands-on projects. And for the same link we have mentioned in description as well, so go check it that channel as well and subscribe to that channel because we are bringing in-depth data analytics series. And yeah, this was all about this particular role. I wish you all the best with your applications and I will see you in the next video.